Hi. Busy week. So we're gonna get back to working on this beauty. Busy week? Why do you care if I had a busy week? Gonna get back working on this beauty. I am going to pull the engine out because of all the stuff that was on the other side. I just didn't. I don't trust it. I don't want to put a new top end in if that piston squirting nozzle, piston squirting nozzle, right there, that little guy. If that's plugged up with crap, well, there's a piston cooling nozzle, or whatever you want to call it, that sprays right there off the main bearing. That sprays pressurized oil to the underside of the piston, keeps the piston cool and lubes the rings. Well, if that's plugged up with crap and we put a new top end in, it's going to smoke it pretty quick. But yeah, it almost looks like somebody's been in here before. This looks like it's been, but it looks like they used the wrong type of machine to do that. Okay, that's today's job. All right. Let's get after it. So like before, I'm probably just gonna fast forward it all because you don't need to see me taking every single nut and bolt off this thing. I can't stand watching YouTube videos that are like that. Hey. That's pretty sweet. Let's see what else you got here. Oh, that's tough, girl. Holy shit. Okay. Engine mounting bolts in the tray. I'm not exactly sure what this fell out of, but I'll get it out. And then spring to keep the dry shaft to have tension on it. Over there, there. So like any other engine teardown video, I'm just gonna fast forward it all and just start taking shit off. If it looks interesting and I should stop, I am going to, I'll bring the camera back, but yeah, like I just don't know. I don't know what's in here. And the bearings don't feel too bad, really, so I might not go that far. Oh, what was that? Jingle jangle. Alright.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots.
So you ask why I do want to tear it all the way down? It's because of stuff like this. This is the oil strainer. It's on the bottom of the engine. Look at all that. That is slime and sludge. That'd be the first thing that gets sucked up into your oil pump. That's why I'm doing this right there. Specifically that. And you can't take this screen off with it in the machine. But you know, looking at it, listening to the bearings, it doesn't sound all that bad. I mean, I might not tear it completely down. I'm not too sure yet. Alright, made an executive decision. She's coming all apart. Should have all the hardware out of it. Now, let's get it. Coming apart. Good sign. Now, which way was that going to come off? I think it's going off this way. Yes. That. Should do it like that. Missing anything here? Okay, it's behind door number 1. See how bad it is in here. Although, I don't think it's going to be too bad, really. There was a shift shaft. Oh, that is gnarly. Oh! All that crudge in there in the crudge. What the hell's crudge? All this shit here in the bottom is why we did that. Ooh, chunky. So this guy, well, that went up from here. It was in there. Put the case off. Doesn't look too bad in here. Bearings look okay. Give her a nice bath and some brake clean. Ugh. So you remember when I heard that jingling sound when I took the jug off? I actually did make a mistake. I dropped this little bugger down inside the engine cylinder dowel. That pretty well made my decision as to wanting to take the engine apart, but judging by all the crap in here, it was gonna happen either way. And I like these gears in this thing. Check this thing out. So this is 2017, right? Bruno is a 2012, same sort of vintage of engine, same design. But this one has a helical cut gear. Bruno had a straight cut gear, so it was very noisy. This one has got a helical cut gear. which is awesome. Backlash is still important, but it's got pretty good backlash. Wasn't making a whole rumbling, a lot of noise. But this looks really good in here. A little dollop of water there. But, you know, this doesn't look good in here. That's why I mainly took it apart. You weren't going to get that out of there, no way. Disgustingness. Yeah. Well, that's pretty much it for the engine teardown. I mean, now it's cleaning. I got a whole bucket full of crap. All this stuff. I'm probably going to pull the transmission out. Go through it gear by gear. Pull the crank out. Counter shaft. And you'll see the dot to dot for the counter shaft, right? Because the counter shaft's got this big goofy weight on it. And yeah, that's it. I guess I'll bring you back when I get to putting her together. Because this part here I don't need any parts for. This center section is all, like if you look here, they use a silicone, which I don't like doing, but Bruno leaked like a motherfucker, and the only way to stop that was to put the right stuff in there, and it worked. It's not leaking. Probably going to replace these dry shaft seals. Alright, so that's it for now. See ya! Okay, she is all cleaned. That is a big job. Taking all that crap out of there and cleaning it up. Bearings all look good. They all sound good. They're nice and quiet. Yeah. Got a bucket of clean stuff. I still got some dirty stuff I want to go through and clean up. But at this point we're waiting. I want to get new seals. New seals for it. Yeah. So the last thing I want to do before I get parts is I want to go through the oil pump on this. With all the crap that went through that motor and how the oil looked when it came out, I don't trust this oil pump is in good shape. Not at all. I'm going to take this apart here. Pretty simple design. Oh yeah. That's grooved right out. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Well, like how you zoomed in. So let's see if you can look at that. Does not pass the fingernail test. It is grooved out. Not good. The inside of the gear looks okay. The outside of the gear does not look okay. Or outside of the pump does not look okay, because this spins inside this housing. So if this part of the housing is chewed up here and this part of the housing is chewed up, it may or may not pump oil. But to show you, if anybody's actually seen this before, I'm gonna put the pump in here. We'll put it together and we'll just show you how the pump works. So it's just a gear pump. Right, so this whole thing spins inside the housing. So the pump might be okay, and this pump face, the pump face is hammered too. So if you look at the pump face, I don't know how well this is going to show up. It's a little shiny, but the pump face is all goobered up there too. And it's starting to get into that case hardening that they put on that. Yeah, I don't know how well you're going to see that, but yeah. So new oil pump is going to be a must for this machine. But I'd hate to do all this work and then have the top end explode because, you know, oil pump is in bad shape. Okay. I think that's going to be it for now. I mean, I got nothing to do until parts come in and we can get that engine back together. Okay. See ya.
6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face.